Hello everyone, Professor Franz here, and today we're going to talk about the Federal Reserve's functions. First, the Federal Reserve serves as a bank of banks. It manages payments between banks, such as clear checks, make electronic payments. Also, the Federal Reserve serves as a lender of the last resort. If your bank is in trouble, no other banks would like to lend to you, then you have no choice but to borrow from the Federal Reserves. Another function of the Fed is to supervise and regulate banks. The Federal Reserve will create regulations in order to promote stable banking system. And the Federal Reserve will supervise member banks, making sure everyone is following the regulations. Finally, the Federal Reserve will also actively identify banks in trouble in order to avoid a bank run. Another function of the Fed is to serve as the bank of the federal government. The Federal Reserves provide financial services to the U.S. Treasury, maintain accounts for the Department of Treasury, and process government checks, postal money orders, and the U.S. saving bonds. And finally, really importantly, the Federal Reserves will implement monetary policies in order to help our economy, which we will elaborate later.